হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান। আজকে আমি পেনাং মেইন আইল্যান্ডে একটা জায়গার নাম বার্ড পার্ক। এখানে সাপোজ টু বি 300 টাইপ অফ বার্ড স্পিসিস এখানে আছে। তো আজকে আমি এখানে আসছি তো ঘুরে ঘুরে দেখার জন্য হোয়াট টাইপ অফ বার্ডস দে হ্যাভ। এখানে এগুলো বলছে গোল্ডেন বার্ডস্টেড স্টার্লিং। এটা হয়তো ওদের নেটিভ কোনো টাইপের বার্ডস হবে। দিস ইজ কাইন্ড অফ লাইক এ লুকস লাইক এ চিকেন।
এখানে বলা বাহুল্য যে this is the first and largest bird park of its kind in Malaysia, which was established since 1988, and it is on a 5-acre land park on the mainland portion of the Penang state, has a collection of more than 300 species of bird from all over the world, which of more than 150 species are of Malaysian species. More than 300 birds in the park are carefully and scientifically housed in more than 150 cages for the breeding and conservation purpose.
It looks like a flamingo type. Actually, they are flamingos.
So this attraction and fascination about this place is built in a garden concept. The park boasts of its beautiful landscaping with the impressive collection of hibiscus, orchids, bamboo, ornamental plant, and palm trees. Cascading waterfalls and natural ponds flourish with colorful fishes, lotus, and water lilies, creating a home for the free-roaming pelicans, flamingos, swans, egrets, storks, herons, and colorful ducks.
Very small dove. It's supposed to be white Barbary dove. These are different type of doves called Barbary dove. This called Malay peacock. How nice. It's pretty color on that. It's another type of peacock. I'm not too sure if you can see that in the camera. Seems like it like to hide, kind of hiding. The black one it says Siamese fireback, and the brown color one it says common quail. এটা বলেছে red billed hornbill. Hello. Golden pheasant. Yeah, kind of golden color. White pheasant. Hello. What's up? This is kind of like a Bangladeshi podcast. I don't know the name. It's pretty. Hello, Mr. Raccoon. How are you? অ্যাকচুয়ালি কেজিবিতে বেশ কয়েকটা টার্টল আছে এবং অনেক কয়েকটা বানি আছে আর হ্যামস্টার আছে, যেটাকে গিনিপিগ বলা হয় বাংলাদেশে। এই বার্ডটা খুব খুব কালারফুল। এখানে আবার দুইটা হলুদ রঙের টিয়া পাখি আছে। They're like kind of trying to stay away from the people, I guess. এখানে more flamingos with the as usual orange color, like we see in the Florida. Along with the ducks. More small birds that they love to be fed. Hello. They're very friendly. Here comes the bird show.
Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to Penang Bird Park. My name is Kay and I'll be host for you today. First of all, let's thank you our green-winger Macau channel for the opening show. Alright, before we start our show today, let me share a little bit about Penang Bird Park. Penang Bird Park is the very first bird park was officially opened in 1988 in Bandar Terbang area for 38 years as well. We have over 3K birds that come from 300 different species from half of them are local birds as well. Penang Bird Park is also very famous because this is the most successful and conservation breeding center for hornbills, pelicans and owls. For today's bird show, we are going to show you so many beautiful birds such as hornbills, pelicans and macaws. Without further delay, let's welcome Chinese friend, the blue and yellow macaw Bobby. So now our Chinese is going to pick up all the 3 rings and put in the bowl. Yes, very good Chinese. Even without that, we managed to pick all the 3 rings using this bag. Goodbye. Thank you, Chinese. Alright, now let's call our Bobby to play the game as well. So Bobby doing it little bit different, picking them by one. Yeah, good boy. However, we can see he runs faster than our Cindy. For the last one. Alright, thank you, Bobby. Good job. So these birds have a large beak that can use catch fishes in the water. Here in Penang Bird Park, we will feed this bird with the catch fishes. His height is 135 cm. Okay. Alright, thank you so much, Mr. Razor.
These are
So
super.
this is our wellness group. In Malay we call them as a burung tupi. They also got a large beak to catch fishes in the water. Their favorite food are frogs and water snakes. These birds are quite shy. They don't usually get friendly to other birds. In Malay we call them as a burung hantu kubur. There are around 300 different ovals in the world. One oval don't usually build their nest in the forest or in the marine because they prefer laying eggs in empty boxes or on people roofs. So these hornbills are actually the kind of a small kind of hornbill. So they are the smallest and easily adapted in any kind of environment. Yeah, good boy. So this is our pelican. For today we have two different species. The first one is spot black pelican. The second one at the back is pink back pelican. The birds love to eat fish. They eat a lot of fish, can eat up to 4 kilos per day. So you can see the bird at the big paws and by the leg. They also have a long beak to catch fishes. Alright, thank you very much to our dancer of Penang Bird Park. Thank you.
এখন এটা photo session. Some kids are taking pictures of the birds. I don't know if it costs any money or not, but anyone who wants to take a picture of the birds, they can do it. That was actually a nice bird show. Pretty, though looks like birds are well trained, but sometimes they don't cooperate. Can do nothing about that. Nice.
One, two,
Yes, sir.
one,
Bird is tied to.
three.
I have no cards to touch it. These are white peacock. These are actually Indian peacock.
Hello，再靠近他一点。什么？
A giant crocodile. Another crocodile taking a nap. See Indian peacock. I think they're trying to come close to just a
只有那
picture.
边是白孔雀，这边全是蓝孔雀。看看还有哪边小龟小的。
好像它有点开了。
是吗？
Nice.
哦，它开了，但是它就是这个毛好像掉光了嘛，是不是啊？这羽毛好像被人搞拔光了在身上。
不是，感觉它这个搞了好久了，还不掉。它还没开。
Actually, I never seen one like this.
What?
Beckham খোলার চেষ্টা করছে বা Beckham, this is, I think, this is it.
它的翅膀。哎，这是什么呀？它的羽毛是吗？
母孔雀吧，母孔雀。
এটাকে বলা হয় ডাবল ওয়াটার ক্রসওয়ে, and this been imported from New Guinea, northeast of Australia.
A barista, kind of like an observation deck, is just made in Chinese style wooden bridge. এখান থেকে ঝর্ণার পানির শব্দ শোনা যায়, would make it like a relaxation, like in a little Malay hearts that dot the park to enjoy the beauty of nature's at play of this bird park.
অ্যাকচুয়ালি প্লেসটা খুব একটা খারাপ না, ভালোই, খুব সুন্দর। আমি যতটুকু অল্প জায়গা মনে করছিলাম আসলে অনেক বড়। It's a nice educational, especially for the kids who live in city. ওদের হয়তো এত কিছু, এত হরেক রকমের বার্ড, বিভিন্ন কান্ট্রি থেকে বার্ড আনা, এগুলো হয়তো দেখা হয় না ওদের। So it's kind of nice, very nice, educational could be for the children, and especially small children. I see অনেক small kids এখানে, they enjoyed very much. They had a chance to feed the horse, chance to pet the birds, even the snake. I saw a Burmese python over there. So this was very nice. For half a day, at least a good half a days out with the children, to spend the time in the weekend or holiday. It's a great place. So this was nice visiting bird park here in Penang. Bolabahulu, this is in Penang main island, not in the island. It's mainland, not in the island. So it was very nice, wonderful jaga to visit. Till next time, Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my video, subscribe my channel. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Thank you very much. See you again.